Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Here's something that you can knock out in less than an hour. Let's get to it. We'll have to get a little file for in there and just hand file that real quick. Okay, got as much as we could like that, so now we'll have to do a little bit of touch up in there and in there. Sorry you guys ain't gonna get to see the finish, but The only reason these videos look as good as they do is because my wife is the editor. So that means she can see this much of it, but I still need to do a few things in order to get it so that it's ready for her. But I'm gonna get this out to you guys right away, so you got something that you can knock out, and then it's up to you if you guys want to carve something into it, work with inlays, epoxy. There's a million different things that you guys can do. You know, embed in stonework or tons of stuff. Jewels. Just get on it. Progressive Ideas out. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Not now, but right now.